Name of presenter, Mrs. S.E. Stander. Program, Office Administration. Subject, Office Data Processing. Level 3. Topic to be covered. Topic 7, Developing Spreadsheets using Microsoft Excel. Module 13. Reference material used. Office Data Processing for MS Office 2010 NQF Level 3 textbook. Page 228 to 231. Resources required by student, textbook, and a computer. Topic 7, Module 13, Unit 13.4 to 13.5. Unit 13.4, change text to upper and lower case. Now people, unlike in Word, where you have an option, let me just open Word so that I can refresh your memory. In Word, you have an option of changing text to uppercase or lowercase. On top there it says change case, where you can just then say uppercase or lowercase. Excel does not have that function. I would suggest if you need to change the headings to uppercase, you just retype them. So to make it easier, there is no function on top there to change case to uppercase or lowercase. So just retype the headings if they need to be in uppercase. It will be quicker and easier for you to do it like that. When you print spreadsheets, you use the same function as in Word. You go to File, you go to Print. You have your little print preview on the right hand side, and here you have your options. You can change how many copies you want of that document, either 1 or 2, or how many copies either you want. You can say print the active sheet only, or you can print the entire workbook. If there is more than one sheet in your workbook, for this instance, we are using 2 sheets. If you want to print the entire workbook at once, you can go there and click on entire workbook. Then both sheets will appear that will be printed. Before you print also, you can change the orientation from landscape or from portrait to landscape. And then you can just click on print to print your spreadsheet as normal. So if I want to change from uppercase to lowercase, I can just retype the words that needs to be in uppercase. For instance, that assessment 2, I can go to and just retype it. It's going to be your quickest and easiest way. And if I want to print, I print as normal. I just go to File, Print, depending on how many copies I want. If I want to print the entire workbook or just the sheet, the active sheet that I'm on at the moment, and I click on Print.